Welcome to the project demonstration of crop protection by sensing the rain and automatic shade controlling system for as a rain roof. So here we are going to making use of Arduino Uno main system. So it will take the input from the rain sensor and it will control the output modules like DC motor through the L293D motor driver. So here we are using the L293D motor driver which can control two DC motors in bidirectional at a time. So in our requirement we need to control one DC motor in forward direction and backward direction. So for that moment we are making use of this L293 motor driver, and the whole system will driven by this two RPS, that's regulated power supply boards. One board is to drive the DC motor power supply and another board is to provide the power supply for the sensor and L293D and our Arduino Uno board. So here the interfacing connections are like rain sensor is interfaced at A0 pin of our Uno board and L293D motor driver at 8 and 9 pins of our Uno board. These two are the inputs and output modules. Coming to this Arduino board, we are making use of Arduino Uno with Atmega 328P microcontroller, so which will take the instructions from the embedded C language we have already coded inside that, and which will execute this at a speed of 16 megahertz clock pulse frequency, which we are providing 16 megahertz oscillating frequency from the crystal oscillator. And coming to these two RPS boards, there are diodes which will convert the AC to DC, and this one is a step down transformer, and one more IC is there, so which will regulate the voltage from 12 volts AC to 5 volts DC directly. And next here also same process. And coming to this amplifier board, so as you know that this rain sensor consists of two tracks. So whenever the rain drop placed on these tracks, then the conduction will be started and it will be amplified by this LM35H amplifier, and which will provide the digital output as well as analog output. So in our requirement we are making use of digital output, that is 0 volts or 5 volts. Whenever the rain detected, it will provide the 0, and when there is no rain, dry, and then it will provide the 1, nothing but 5 volts. So let us see the demonstration. So whenever the rain droplets detected, then there will be one light indication on this rain sensor also, we can observe that. So just I am dropping the water droplets and slowly it will comes to procure the safety for these crops, and whenever the drop dried, then automatically it will move back. So it is a continuous process. After dry, again the DC motor rotates counterclockwise direction, so that with the help of the rack and pinion mechanism inside the slider, the system will be controlled directly. Right.